goofy goober! You're a goofy goober!
Want to see the coolest thing you've ever seen? And now. So my experiment is the frozen water bottle trick. So what's happening is that I froze a water bottle for about 2.5 hours, and this means that the water is super cool, yet it's not frozen yet. But when I hit it on the table, it'll completely freeze, and the ice crystals will form in the water bottle. So it worked, as you can see. Ice crystals formed in the middle, and it is completely, it's not entirely frozen, but it is actually, yeah, it's completely frozen. Okay, so the reason that worked is because since the water bottle is super cold, not completely frozen, the water molecules, ice crystals in the water bottle need something to attach to, because even though it isn't completely frozen, there's still ice crystals forming inside of it, and they need help latching onto the impurities in the water. So when I hit it on the table, that means that the ice crystals get to link onto the impurities in the water bottle, and that's why there's a frozen effect when it goes down the water bottle. Distilled water, which is completely pure H2O, it wouldn't have worked because as water freezes, it relies on impurities in the water so that ice crystals can latch onto them. So if I used distilled water, it would have been a very different experiment. Now for this experiment, you have to be very careful taking it out of the freezer, because for one of the bottles, I actually pulled it out of the freezer too quick, and it resulted in the whole thing freezing downward before I could place it on the table. And that was because even the slightest motion can cause the ice crystals to move around